Well, see, wait till they pour the curb to go talking about how close they are to the building. And theoretically, that would never fly. In other words, if it was me in your building, they would have to take that building down and move it, because it's just too close to the right of way. Now what they may do is come in and put a rock ledge, and then we can see that happen. So let me show you how they got this curb coming in here, matching the asphalt. And if you go on down, you can look right down through there. And there's a loud I called it a lawnmower. That's a loud motorcycle. Alright, thought I'd show you that while I had a chance.